Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix your Bluetooth connection if you cannot find your Bluetooth accessory on the Samsung A20s. So when I have a problem with my headphones, I'm always starting from the simplest way, just simple restart the Bluetooth connection by turning it off and turning on again. Then look for your device again on this Bluetooth list. After that you can also try to restart your phone by holding the power button and choose restart. That's it. At the start you have to be sure that your Bluetooth accessory is visible for other devices, and in the most gadgets you have to enable pair mode. How to activate pair mode you will find the manual or maybe on your YouTube channel. Sometimes you have to push the button for a few seconds or push the button 3 times. You have to check it by yourself. So if you're sure that your Bluetooth accessory is visible for other devices but still not on your phone, you can also go to the settings, slide down to the general management, I think, yes, and go to the reset. Now choose the reset network settings. You can see the Bluetooth is included here, so tap on the reset settings and confirm by this button. After that look for your device again. In the next step I prefer always to update the system. You can try it by choosing the software update. If you have any update, just download it and install. And the last recommendation from me, check your Bluetooth device and your phone on other device with Bluetooth to check which gadget making a problem here, which is visible, which not. That's it. Thanks for the watching. Leave us a subscribe, comment, and goodbye.